How to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, and in this particular interface, you will see the option for archiving and downloading under the Your App and Media tab. Tap on the archiving and downloading option you see there, and then further go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Save Original Photos, and with this, all the photos that you post will be automatically saved to your camera roll. So this was about how you can save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.